Hello everyone, this is a video guide about how to promote your Chrome Web Store extension, why you should do that, and methods you can use to do that. And the first question is why it's so valuable asset. Why you should create Chrome extension. The number one reason that you create one more landing page in Google SERP for your target keyword. For example, in our case, the SEO checker is high competitive keyword, and along with our main landing page, we have the Chrome extension landing page. So Chrome create the landing page for your extension, and because Chrome Web Store has high trust, high CTR, authoritative backlink profile, it ranked in top 10 fast. Sometimes you even don't need backlinks to get good rankings. It's much easier than to do with your main website in most cases, if you just start your business. So this is number one reason. And in our case, by the way, we get like around 20,000 users from Google search to our Chrome extension, for also for different high competitive keywords. So it's just amazing asset. Then the second reason why I should do that, because it's a great opportunity to simplify access to some of the features inside of your main app. For example, in our app, site checker, we have on page SEO audit, where a user can check different issues and so on. And usually when the user work with the website, he doesn't want to visit the app for every check he has. So when he has option to click in one click to get all necessary on page SEO audit, it's much easier for him or her, and it increases the value. And the third option why you should create the extension is that this plugin, Chrome plugin, can become a great lead generation tool. So in our case, this extension is used not only by our existing users who created account as a checker, but many users start using extension from they just found us in Google, SEO Chrome extension, and then they, in our case it's SEO checker, and then they just install it, because it's free. They don't need to sign up to the site checker, and they start using it even without sign up to the main app. But then through time, when they understand that it's really valuable and they see the CTA, they visit the app, they create account, and they become a customer. So many of the 70%, 80% of users who will find your extension through the organic search, they can become your customers through this funnel. So this is the big acquisition channel. You should try. Okay, so and I see there are four methods to grow your installations to get more traffic for your Chrome extension. The first one is via impressions in Chrome Web Store. So Chrome has own search, and people search for different apps here, and we rank here also. So when you will add the extension, you will see this graph. You will see how many time your was for people, and this number one source to grow the traffic. The other one is again via impressions in organic Google search, as I shown. Then the third one is sending traffic from your website to the extension. For example, in the site checker case, we have the separate page SEO Chrome extension, and people who see it visit it and they add it to Chrome. In our case, it's even not so visible. Sometimes you can add it even to the header, you can to the footer, even to the home page. It depends on your use case, and everybody who visits your website will install it. So you can quickly get better rankings, because the more traffic you send, the more ratings you'll get, the more usage you'll get, the easier it's to get new traffic, the higher Chrome Web Store will rank you in its own, and it will grow faster. Then the fourth method is sending traffic to your extension from the external sources. Again, it's social media, email, newsletters, PPC, and so on. It depends on your business model. Yeah, social media, I would say, is the number one source, external source that can have a huge boost for extension, because most of the extensions, they are free. Yeah, and when you share something for free on the social medias, and especially if there's something unique, nobody created it yet before, it can create a viral effect and many people will install it. Yes, so these are 4 methods: Chrome Web Store impressions, Google organic search impressions, sending traffic from your website to Chrome extension, and the 4th is sending traffic from external sources like social media, email list, PPC, partners, etc. So for us, the most valuable one was traffic on our website, because when we created our extension, we already have good rankings for our main website. Yeah, for now we have 300,000 unique monthly visitors to check our website, and we can convert all of them, like not all of them, yeah, but many of them to our extension. How can you, like, for us it's like took 5 years to get to 180,000 of users. How you can speed up this process, because we made many errors, many things we missed, and yeah. So the first one, send traffic from your website, and usually you underestimate how much you can improve your conversions from the website to your Chrome extension without creating any distractions, without creating any churn for your users. Yeah, because you should usually think about extension as like an extension for your product. Yeah, it's a part of your product, and then during the onboarding you should show it. Yeah, during the email marketing letters you should show it. You should show it on your website, everywhere you have the place. Yeah, so, and we started to do it too late. So try to implement the plugin into the main funnel for your user. The second step, you should remember about the title and description for your Chrome extension. Yeah, it's 2 basic things, yeah, but in the plugin page you don't have such leverages as you have on the basic website, like internal links, H2, H6 tags, alt tags, and so on. You don't have these things. Yeah, you have only title and only the description and only the images. That's why you should spend more time thinking about which title will be better. Yeah, what keywords and what words we should add to the description, how we can add, how we can create images and video that will visitors, yeah, that people after that will install the extension. Yeah, because the behavior of the user on this page also defines how well the page will rank in Google. Yeah, so you have less leverages and you should be more attentive to the details in this case. Then yeah, and what does mean more attentive in terms of title and description? You should also do keyword research, and usually you want to rank your extension by the keywords by which your main website also rank for. Yeah, so think about that. Then localization. We did it too late. We, for almost 5 years, we didn't see that our extension has only English versions. Yeah, like, and yeah, we got traffic from different countries, but it was like English keywords from different countries. Yeah, and then we decided to update it. So around 1 month ago we updated it, and we already have some good rankings for the local keywords here. So for example, in Brazil, something else should be here. For example, let me find it. Oh, I see. Deutsch, and so on and so on. Swedish, great. So yeah, we did it too late, and I guess it's like a huge problem was you have now, you know the problem, you know the lesson right now, and you can create local versions from the start. Then images and videos, again, spend time to design them well, to increase conversions, yeah, to the installation. Then ratings, they impact your ranking in the store, and that's why we created like the simple ask question, like, do you like extension, please rate it. It's not like complex solution, it's easier to do, yeah, but you should think and remember about that. Yeah, we also ask our existing users inside Checker. Every quarter we incentivize our users to leave reviews about the Chrome extension. We give them some credits inside our app, and it works great. Yeah, then acquiring backlinks to your product and then page. Yeah, so you should do keyword research, you should optimize your own page SEO for this page, but you also should build backlinks if you want good rankings, especially for high competitive keywords. Yeah, and in our case we did that. Yeah, we got many organic backlinks too, but we also spend resources to get good let me find some to find great places to add backlinks, yeah, and improve rankings by our target keywords. And the last one, I would say, like, improve site and design of the extension. For us it was this one. It's already 4 or 5 version, I don't remember exactly yet, but we spent time analyzing which websites have issues, yeah, with downloading the report, what the problems, how we can speed up, how we can delay. Yeah, for example, we divide our report on different stages, and when the first one is loaded, others are in progress. Yeah, and for users it's like we give value as fast as possible. And yeah, that's all. I would say that's all. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, I will answer, and I will also add the text guide about this yeah, and you'll be able to view it, like, also with different screenshots of our results. Okay, thank you.